What if AI could help you make money, not just answer questions? Last month, this AI agent spotted a clear opportunity in Intel before the move fully played out. Better signals, better timing, calm, disciplined decisions. And today, Intel is trading above its previous 52-week high. That's the real shift. AI not as a chatbot, but as a decision support system that creates real outcomes. This AI agent is built inside n8n using a simple, transparent workflow. It runs on a daily schedule, pulls real-time market news via Tavily, analyzes it with an AI agent powered by an EU-hosted inference provider, Infocom, and then sends a clean, structured stock briefing directly to email. The flow is straightforward: schedule trigger, market data search, AI analysis and filtering, email delivery. No over-engineering, no hidden logic. I'm open sourcing this entire workflow 100% free, so anyone can reuse it, learn from it, or adapt it for their own needs. This is practical AI built to be understood and shared.